What up, what up, what up? It's your man Tech Mind coming at you with another banger that could put some money in your pocket. Now before we start, y'all, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get these joints early. Now this joint right here, BNB Factory, I got involved with it maybe about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. You know what I mean? I put a 0.25 BNB on it first, then I put another 0.25. So you can say I invested a half a BNB on this. As you can see right here, 1 BNB equals to 16 million miners. I've recompounded and I got up to 13 million. This joint been producing, yo. You know what I mean? I've even taken from this a couple of times, and I'm still keeping on. I'm still doubling my money. You know what I mean? I don't know if that's because the contract is so low or what, because this joint is just starting out. It look like it's on its way up. You understand what I'm saying? Right now it's saying that I got 0.657 BNBs in there. You understand what I'm saying? But 1 BNB equals to 60 million. I guess for me to have 1 BNB in here, I'm gonna have to recompound some to get to that 16 million. I'm gonna have to hustle some this joint, man. I like it. I'm taking a little bit from it. I've taken, I think, about twice already from it, and I'm still doing good. So the joint is paying. They say this is a 10% joint. You know what I mean? You get 10% daily, but you know how these miners are. They go up, they go down, depending on whether people are recompounding or whether they taking. You know what I mean? So you never know how it's gonna go. But for now, this joint is doing real good. We got all the information on this joint down here. Questions if you need to ask. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description so you can come on over here and check it out for yourself. You know what I mean? You gotta do your own due diligence. Or you can go to the other video I made about this when I first got involved, and you can check it out. Or you could check it out over there. Compounding earlier with it, but it didn't come out good. So, but I did recompound this morning. It's already mining some more coins for me as we speak. So you know everything's going good with this. It's the BNB Factory, y'all. You know what I mean? Come on over here and check it out for yourself. This ain't no financial advice. This is just me showing y'all what I'm doing. You understand what I'm saying? If you feel like what I'm doing is right for you, then be my guest. I'll leave the link in the description, y'all. Anyway, have a beautiful day. I'm out of here. Peace.